Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Right, the stop just hit it. I was in this trade 3 hours and a half. This is Palantir on a 1 minute chart. I trade one stock, one time frame, and take one trade a day. So I went bullish. The green line is the low of yesterday. The other green line is the low of the days back then. Went bullish when it broke this little flag here. This little flag here. So I went bullish. My target was here. The stop is down there. And nothing's happening. It just went down the whole time until it stopped me out. So this is the trade for today. I took the trade because it met my criteria, managed risk correctly, and exit where my plan said to exit. The market didn't give me a follow-through, and I accepted that without fighting it. Today wasn't about being right, it was about being consistent. I'll review this later and show up tomorrow with the same rules. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.